Good afternoon. Today's task for experiment number 5. The first thing we need to do is we need to create an Excel workbook with 3 sheets. The sheet number 1 as a master, sheet number 2 as HR, and sheet number 3 as marketing. In next few minutes, I'll show you how you need to create the sheets and upload the book to the Power BI. And step 2, you need to load master and HR sheets. Verify the data in model view in relationship, else create the relationship if not done automatically. So in step number 3, you need to load all the 3 sheets. For the same workbook, you need to load all the 3 sheets, that is sheet 1 master and sheet 2 HR and sheet 3 marketing. These 3 sheets should be loaded, and we need to check in data tab in Power BI Home how these sheets are loaded with the new name extensions. And this is the task to step number 3. In step number 4, what we need to do is we need to remove the duplicate sheets which are not required. So let's go with the task. And for today, the data that we need to create for experiment number 5, let me give me 1 minute. And this is the Excel upload file which we have done today for today's task. Let me open. So it is as simple. In master sheet, I have created employee ID, department, date of joining, experience, location, salary. In HR, I have only 2 entries that you can see here, being only 2 employees are there in HR, that is employee 1 and employee 2. Employee 1 and employee 2, these 2 are brought back to HR. In marketing, there are only 2 employees as per our master database, and from master you can see only 2 finance employees are there, F101, F102. 2 marketing employees there, M101 and M102. These are brought to here. So this is how we have divided all the sheets into all the Excel book into 3, and this particular Excel workbook is saved in my desktop. Now it may ask for some changes. Let it allow. Sort. So this is the file that you need to take care of it, right? And next thing, go back to your Power BI. Simply click on get data, choose Excel workbook, go to desktop and upload this file. That is step 1, which I have discussed in the time of loading this experiment. From here, the things that you need to remember when you are uploading an Excel workbook, the name of the file will be as likewise Excel upload, and the sheets will be displayed corresponding to this in the navigator pane. So by selecting master, it displays the data which you want to load, and by selecting other, you can see the display of the data. So whenever you have selected, and the last selected item will have the data that is displayed over here, right? In some cases, if the data set is been old or say the previous data, you can use this refresh button to refresh the data in case if you feel the data set is about to upload or been updated. Now as per today's task, I am just loading master and HR. Only 2 sheets are to be loaded for the task 1 under step 1, right? So once I click on the data, it is taking some time, and Power BI is loading the files. Right. The Power BI has loaded the files. Now you can see all your Power BI files, HR and master over this side. You can see the table view. You can see what data has been loaded. And as per the task, let's go back to model view. check if there any relationship that has been automatically formed or not. Lucky, we got all our data and automatically connected, and the relationship that exists over here from master many and HR1, that you can see star and 1 indicates many to 1 relationship. That's good to see. And let's go back to our report view, do the task 2, same Excel workbook, select Excel upload, click on that. Now to understand little better, we are uploading all the 3 sheets. They are already there, but why we need to upload is we need to see how the duplicate database is automatically created in Power BI, right? Now you can see the first sheets are HR and marketing, which are naturally there, and the second time you can see HR2, master2 as new data sets that has been uploaded, right? Let us see in the same way in model view, does these sheets are automatically connected or not? It's good to see 2 master sheets are working as top, and all the master sheets have been connected very well, right? This is how your data model is working. Now we need to take to level 2, how to remove the duplicate data sets which are loaded in Power BI. Now select the duplicate data set, that is HR2, click on these 3 dots option, go back to delete from model, click on delete from model. It will display delete table. Are you sure want to delete HR2? Simply click on yes, and you can see the master2 table also, which is not required being it is already there. Click on 3 dots, click on delete from model and click on yes. It automatically deletes the data. And for the better view and better things, click on refresh, so it takes Power BI optimization very well. Go to model view, we can minimize the screen. Now this is how the data has been done. Actually this marketing is component of master, but the relationship is not existed. Hence we need to create a relationship, that is manage relationship, create new relationship, from table select master, and the 2 table select marketing, or by default it is taking department. Click on save, and it automatically create the relationship. That makes sense. And the relationship that has been created here is, you can see little carefully, the relationship that has been created here is many to many. It's always good to connect even marketing in HR also. Not required, but makes sense. Click on new relationship, from table marketing, for 2 table it is HR, and click on save. It also creates a relationship likewise. That makes more sensible, right? So this is how a relationship has to be established in case there is no relationship among your tables. And for today the task for uploading an Excel sheet is clear. And let's load one more data set. Click on get data set, click on Excel workbook, click sample superstores as a report that has been available all over internet. Simply click on load the data set. It's good, the data set has been loaded. Go back to table view, select sample superstores. You can see how the data has been loaded upon. So this is how we need to perform the loading of Excel sheet into Power BI. Thank you.